Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where your front camera of your iPhone for some reason is just not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but the number one reason why you may be watching this is because your camera on your iPhone specific applications are just not working. So apps like Snapchat, Instagram. The reason why this may be happening is because you didn't allow camera access on your settings through your application. So you want to go ahead and open up your settings application like this. You'll come into this panel. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you scroll all the way down until you find the application start loading up. So here you want to go ahead and find, the specific application where the camera is not working. So you want to go and click on Instagram, for example. You will see this little camera option right here, and you want to make sure that's enabled. As long as that's enabled, you are pretty much good to go. There have been so many situations where sometimes you will go ahead and have your camera and you'll give it access where you thought you gave it access and you think there's something wrong with your phone, where in reality, you just didn't give it camera access in the first place. So go ahead and just give it camera access, and that may end up fixing it for you. Now, another reason why your front camera on your iPhone just isn't working is you may actually have something covering up the camera. So you may either have a case that's kind of temporarily covering up the camera, you may have a lot of smudges and dirt covering up the camera, or very rarely, but sometimes you may have a screen protector that you put on that did cover the notch, and it actually accidentally either covered the camera or it was meant to covering up the camera in the first place. So you just want to go ahead and look at your front camera up here, and you just want to make sure that you actually have it all set up, and you want to make sure nothing is covering it up. Like I mentioned, there have been so many times where people have cases and just have massive cases on your iPhone, and for some reason they wonder why the camera's not working, when in reality it was probably just something covering up the camera. Now let's say that doesn't seem to be the issue. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and open up your settings app one more time. You can go and make your way over to your main panel, which is right here. You want to scroll down into General. You want to click Software Update, and you just want to see if there is a software update available for your iPhone. As you can see, there is a software available for this specific iPhone. So I'm going to go ahead and click Install Now. I'll go and install this update, and that's what I would recommend you to do as well. Seeing if there is an update available for your iPhone and pretty much just, installing it. Now, if there is an update and it's fixed it, then you're set. However, if there wasn't an update or there were some other issues with your iPhone, I'd recommend just, restarting your iPhone. So going through and just powering it down and powering it back up, that may end up fixing it for you. If none of these things fixed it, you may have a faulty front camera or your camera's just not working on your iPhone, and I'd recommend contacting Apple support and having them take a look at your iPhone as well. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.